I'm gonna be upstairs for a little bit. Do you have any magazines that I could? Whoa! Okay. I'll just read the shampoo.
Well, wait. You can't use the bathroom upstairs. You have to use the one off the den.
Right in there? While you're right in here? I can't do that. You might sense something. Kelso, I need to use your bathroom.
Nope, there's nobody here. Of course, I can't see people who don't have parties for their friends, so maybe there is somebody here and I just can't see him. I can't see you, Eric!
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Now, speak of the idiot.
I gotta use the bathroom.
What happened? You pissed Donna off and she locked you out?
Donna? No.
Oh. Well, you pissed me off, so I'm locking you out.